Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward and stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Yanni. Welcome home. Good morning, Hannah. Good morning, Sandra. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we continue, good morning, Ari. Today we continue with the True Refuge series based on Tara Brach's book, True Refuge. And today's practice is called Awakening the Heart of Compassion. And it's a version of Tonglen that focuses on contacting our own fear and arousing self-compassion. This practice trains us to imagine and feel the reality of others. As we include the suffering of others in our heart, we naturally respond with tenderness and care. So take a few moments to settle in, finding a very comfortable position in which you can be relaxed and alert at the same time. Let go of any habitual tension. Allow your breath to be natural. Allow your mind to settle some. The traditional practice of Tonglen begins by taking a moment to sense the stillness and openness that is already here. This is considered a flash of remembrance, a reconnecting with our awakened heart and mind. So now bring gentle attention to your breath and observe the natural rhythm of it. As the breath flows in, allow your cells to receive this life energy. With each breath out, open with total receptivity. Be aware of the experience of no resistance, of allowing yourself to be touched by the sensations of breath. As you breathe out, notice the sensations of letting go, releasing into the space that surrounds you. Imagine your body and consciousness flowing outward with the breath and mingling with the vastness of space. Breathe out into relaxation, ease, and spaciousness. Now invite into your awareness someone you know personally who is suffering now. Someone you want to help. Imagine yourself in this person's circumstances, experiencing their fear or hurt or loss. What is it like to look at the world through their eyes? What is it like to live inside this particular body? Feel with their heart. What is the most vulnerable, painful part of this person's experience? What do they most need right now? Now breathing in, invite all this pain into your heart, allowing yourself to feel it fully. Inhaling, take the pain into yourself so that the other person will have relief. And as you breathe out, respond to their needs by sending out relaxation, space, love, or whatever you think will bring them ease and happiness. Sometimes as you inhale, you will meet your own resistance to pain. If this happens, shift the focus and breathe for yourself and countless others just like you who are feeling the same stuckness, anger, or fear. And then as you breathe out, offer whatever helps you and others like you find space and relief. And as your resistance softens, return to breathing for the person you intend to help. And as you inhale, let the person's pain touch you. Feel how they're held in your heart. As you exhale, send whatever prayer or expression of care that feels most sincere, most needed. Now enlarge the taking in and sending out to include all those who are in the same situation, experiencing the same suffering, whether you know them or not. So if the person you want to help is grieving a loss, breathe in and out for all those who are experiencing the pain of loss. If this person feels like a failure, breathe in and out for all those who feel like a failure. As you breathe in, sense the unconditional willingness, tenderness, and receptivity of your heart. And as you breathe out, feel the vastness of loving awareness that is here already, holding this whole world. Continue breathing like this, opening to the universal experience of this suffering and letting go into spaciousness with care. As you offer your tenderness to others who suffer, your awareness becomes suffused with compassion. As your heart opens to the enormity of suffering, you become that vast, open space that holds the world. As As you go through your day today, you can do a short version of Tonglen whenever you encounter suffering. So if someone you meet is having a hard time, pause. For several breaths, silently breathe in their pain and breathe out relief for them. And if you feel yourself resisting, turned off, or afraid of their pain, do Tonglen practice for yourself and all those like you who are having difficulty opening to pain. No matter what comes up, it is always an opportunity for practicing compassion to others and yourself. Rather than ignoring pain or judging ourselves, we can train ourselves to open into our full potential to love. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. I will see you on Thursday. Tomorrow is Amethyst practice. Enjoy.